Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a plugged up guys heater core, that's the heater guys for your car. We'll explain guys how to flush it today. Now, as you can see guys, this car is completely apart, and by the engine being removed and transmission removed, we can access everything super easy and we can show you, because otherwise it's impossible guys to show you. We will guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's show you guys what we'll be doing now. Usually guys, the heater core is located behind the dash of your car, behind the dashboard. And it's really hard to replace. Most of the times you have to remove the dash to replace the heater core. Okay, right here now, this is your AC evaporator. That's the one that releases the cold inside your car. This is your heater core. You have two radiator hoses usually coming towards it. Okay, one will be enter hose, one is exit hose. Usually the bottom one is the hot one, the top one is the cold one. What that means that the hot coolant goes through the bottom, cools the core and heats it up and comes out of the top hose cooler. Now, we have a video guys how to diagnose that and how to know okay if it's bad or not. But what you usually do guys, okay, you're going to disconnect the hoses somewhere, so you need to find a place where you guys disconnect them. And after you disconnect the hoses, okay, we'll do it directly at the heater core. You're going to get a hose, garden hose, and have a steady flow coming going through the heater core. We will actually use even the power washer guys, that's even a little bit better. Low pressure power washer, you can find the link in the description of the video below. What we'll do, we'll go both ways, top to bottom and bottom to top, and we'll alternate guys. And you want to do that for at least 5 to 10 minutes guys, usually until you have steady water coming out of it. So this is guys right here, the power washer. Okay, and we're going to go from top, it's not even connected yet, it's just flowing. And I'm going to go ahead and plug the power washer in, okay, and listen now. So, next we go guys to the bottom one. And we're just going to alternate top and bottom. Now, you do that guys for about 5 to 10 minutes until everything comes out. You may notice guys when yours is plugged up, kind of like a whitish powder coming off of it, especially because it's aluminum, engine's aluminum, on most cars, cylinder head is aluminum, so there is some kind of like oxidation in the coolant that builds up in the heater core. This is because guys, most modern vehicles guys, as you know, they have powerful engines, so they don't turn the engine so fast when you cruise down the highway. Let's say you're turning them at about 1500 to 2000 RPMs, and the coolant is flowing a little bit slower. And on older vehicles, higher mileage vehicles guys, especially the coolant hasn't been flushed, you can plug up your heater. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you guys next time.